Hi, this is enhancement 5, and in this enhancement we are supposed to add some filters and made it visible for the user and also for us. So here is the PHP in each of the labels, in the inputs. Also added in the registration, in the login, and in the index PHP. We also had to have the functions PHP that connect all of the details. So to see if it works, we're going to localhost. It was me in products. Yes, I'm gonna look at in here. Okay, so when I try to add a category, let me say rope, it will add it. Dang it. Oh, just get. Yeah. Here it is. And also when I try to add a new product and I try to enter the wrong information, it will just pop that there's a mistake. It wouldn't even here. Let's just state it like that. Okay, it shows the message. They need to be filled. I can't add letters, just numbers, and it's blocked. I've been pressing a lot of the, doesn't allow me. It's okay. Text and text, and going to show me when I didn't fill out something. So I'm not going to create anything in here. Let's say example okay. It will let me log in, and also this is in Chrome, but if I try to open it in Firefox, it would be okay, it would show me this. There are colors that represents let's see it. If I try to write the wrong thing, like here I can write, but it won't change the color since it's only numbers. It won't allow me to add fractions. See? except for and also it would add up and down. If I tried to, it would tell me fill out this field and everything. Here it is again. Okay. You won't log in until you fill it up. And if you did not fill with all the selected items, it will show it that you can enter. Capital letter, special character, one number, and next. Okay, there it is. It will show you that you have completed all the steps. So that is all for today. I make sure that this didn't show any errors in here. Let's see. Yeah. Here, no errors. It's the only way I could find out if I had errors. I don't know if I'm wrong, but this is the only way I could see it. So thank you for watching.